Yes, beta. So now, beta, we will be doing with exercise 11.4, question number 3, beta, where he is giving you the diagonals of a rhombus and he wants you to find its side. Now, what is given to you? We are given a rhombus. Now, as I told you previously, that a rhombus is a quadrilateral with all sides equal, and diagonals, what do? They bisect each other at right angle. So every angle that is formed here is a right angle. Now what is he giving you? He is giving you the diagonal. So first diagonal D1, that is equal to 8 centimeter, and the second diagonal D2, that is equal to 15 centimeter, and we have to find the side. Now if diagonal is 8 centimeter, beta, then the length of the side of the rhombus, the length of the right side of the rhombus can be calculated by the formula under root of diagonal 1, half of the diagonal 1 the whole square, plus half of the diagonal 2 the whole square. Why, beta? Because here the angle is 90. This portion is half of this diagonal. This portion is half of the second diagonal. Now this becomes a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, this side, the side of the rhombus, is the hypotenuse, and you know that hypotenuse square is equal to the perpendicular square plus base square. So which are the diagonals? Half of the diagonals, diagonal 1 the half and diagonal 2 the half. So what do you get here? For half of diagonal 1, that is equal to 8 by 2 the whole square plus 15 by 2 the whole square. Now we can do the calculation of this, beta. Square of 8, 8 are 64 by 4. Square of 15, 225 by 4. Now you can do the calculation, you will add them up. When you add them up, you get 289 by 4, beta. Numerators get added because the denominator is same, so LCM becomes 4. 64 plus 225, that is equal to 289. And 289, as you have done in the chapter square roots, it is the square of 17 and 4 is the square of 2. So 17 by 2, which can be written as 8.5 centimeter. So therefore, the length of the side of the rhombus is equal to 8.5 centimeter. Next, question number 4, beta. In question number 4, he says, the ratio of two sides of a rectangle are given to you and the perimeter is also given. We have to find the length of each of its diagonals. Now, beta, what is given to you? You are given the rectangle and you are given the ratio of its sides. What is the ratio of the sides given to you? You are given the ratio of the sides is, sides ratio is 3:4. So let one side is equal to 3x and the other side is equal to 4x. Now if you take the ratio of the sides as 3x and 4x, you know this side will also be 4x, this side will be 3x as discussed in the previous videos. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. So therefore, what is this? 4x plus 3x plus 4x plus 3x. The total is equal to 98. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 7, 14. 14x is equal to 98. So what is x equal to, beta? X is equal to 98 divided by 14. So when you divide it on the table of 14, 14 sevens are 98. So x is equal to, beta, 7. Now if x is equal to 7, so what will this side become? One side will be 4 into 7. 4 into 7 is equal to 28 centimeter. And the other side 3 into 7, that is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we have to find the diagonal, beta. You to find this diagonal, beta, this is a right angle triangle now. In this right angle triangle, to find the length of the diagonal, you will use again the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the diagonal? Diagonal will be equal to the square root of these sides, sum of the square root of these sides. So 8 square, 28 square plus 21 square. So you will take out the square of 28, beta. You will multiply 28 2 times and 21, and then after solving it, you will find the square root of this number and that will give you the length of the diagonal. Clear, beta? Now we are on the fifth sum. Now in this fifth sum, beta, question number 5. What is given to you? There is a figure given to you. This is the shape of the figure given to you. In this figure, you are given this angle is 2x minus 90. This angle is marked x minus 25 degree. this angle is marked 3y plus 20 degree beta, and this angle is marked y plus 100 degree. Now, he wants you to find these angles, and he is saying that this figure is a rhombus. So, what do you know? You know that if this figure is a rhombus, then what happens in the rhombus? In the rhombus, all the opposite angles are equal. So, what happens? The value of angle A will be equal to angle C, and the value of angle B, that will be equal to angle D. Now, angle A, which is equal to 3y plus 20 degree, this will be equal to angle C, which is equal to y plus 100. So, 3y minus y, that will be 100 minus 20. So, 2y will be 80 and y will be equal to 40 degrees. So, we have calculated the value of y. Similarly, we can find the other two angles. 2x minus 90, this is equal to your x minus 25. So, 2x minus x will be equal to minus 25 plus 90. So, x is equal to 90 minus 25 beta, that gives you equal to 65 degree. So, you have got x, you have got y. Now, putting the values of x and y, you can find the angle. Like for example, A. What is your A? That was 3y plus 20. So, that becomes 3 into 40 plus 20. Now, what is 3 plus 40? 3 into 40 is 120. 120 plus 20, that is equal to 140 degree. Similarly, beta, in the same way, you can put the value of x in place of B. So, what you will have? Angle B, that will be equal to x minus 25. X is 65. 65 minus 25 is 40 degree. Similarly, what is your C? That is y plus 100. What is your y? 40. 40 plus 100, that is equal to 140. And angle D, which was 2x plus minus 90, 2 into 65 minus 90, which is equal to 130 minus 90, which is equal to 40 degree. So, in this way, beta, we can calculate all the angles once we get the values of x and y. Hope it is clear to you all, beta. Thanks.